Hey there, fellow science enthusiast. I'm Dr. Quark, your friendly neighborhood quantum physicist, here to unravel the mind-bending mystery of quantum supremacy. So what exactly is quantum supremacy? Well, imagine if your ordinary computer was a bicycle. It's reliable, gets you from point A to B, but it's no rocket ship. Enter the quantum computer. Think of it as the Millennium Falcon. It doesn't just ride the road, it tears through hyperspace. In 2019, Google's quantum computer Sycamore claimed quantum supremacy by solving a complex problem in 200 seconds that would take the best classical supercomputer 10,000 years. That's like completing a 10,000-piece jigsaw puzzle in the time it takes to brew a cup of tea. But hold your horses, because the story doesn't end there. Quantum supremacy isn't just about speed. It's about doing things classical computers simply can't. Think of it as the ultimate flex in the computing world. Now let's break down how quantum computers work. They use qubits instead of bits, and while bits are binary, either 0 or 1, qubits can be 0, 1, or both at the same time thanks to superposition. Imagine trying to juggle balls and suddenly each ball can be in multiple places at once. Mind-blowing, right? Then there's entanglement. When qubits get entangled, the state of one instantly influences the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. It's like having a twin who knows exactly what you're thinking, even if they're on the other side of the universe. Creepy, but cool. Fast forward to 2025, and we're witnessing quantum computers tackling real-world problems. From material science to cryptography, and even drug discovery, these quantum marvels are revolutionizing how we solve complex issues. Imagine a world where we can simulate molecules to create new medicines in days instead of years. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Quantum computing is still in its infancy, with challenges like error rates and maintaining qubit stability. But scientists are working tirelessly to iron out these kinks. So what does the future hold? Think of quantum computers as the Swiss Army knife of technology, versatile and incredibly powerful. As they evolve, they'll unlock possibilities we can't even dream of yet. Thanks for joining me on this quantum journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science adventures with Dr. Quark. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning.